Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Esther. In this video I'll be unboxing some items I bought last year, and I decided why not just show you guys what I bought. Link everything in the description box below, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. I already know you're going to like it, so like it from now. Box right here. Thank you. We hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it. And this is just a little envelope with my receipt. Is the Chevron small camera bag. I really love it. Okay, let me open right here.
A few moments later.
Before I even get into the bag, this lambskin leather, baby, this feels so soft and nice. I wish y'all could feel it. So in love. So it comes with the Tory Burch dust bag, and of course it has this on. So you can wear it like this, or like this over your shoulder. I think I'm also going to wear like this though. The convertible bag in the color black. Just This will be like my errands bag, my Chanel bag. I have the Guess logo right here. It has, I would say, a dark black and like a dark silver hardware. Let's get inside the bag. Okay. So when you open the bag, it has 4 parts. So it has a zipper section right here, then it has 2 card holder section, and also I'm guessing you can put your coins here, and a big space. It's a big bag. So I think this will be like my errands bag, and you can also dress it up with an outfit. Or can went like this, or like this. I think I'll also be wearing it. I think I'm also be wearing it this way. Okay. These nice full wedge heels. This is actually my first pair of gold heels. I actually wanted in the color brown, but it was sold out in my size, so I got this, and I really don't regret it. This is my favorite. No, all 3 of them are my favorite. Comment below and let me know which item I unboxed today is your favorite. And this can go well with, you can wear this with this to like a little brunch. What do you think? What you guys think? With a white dress. Thank you for watching my first unboxing video. If you haven't already, remember to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos like this, and also comment below your favorite item I'm gonna unbox today. For me, I loved all 3, to be honest. I really love all 3, but this is my fave because I've been wanting a Tory Burch bag for the longest. So this win, I love this.